is clear. To protect and defend humanity by locating, capturing, and destroying every last Decepticon on Earth. How does Nest stop such a formidable enemy? You'll find out in this orientation. Thank you again for volunteering to serve. There is no more important mission on Earth.
Sirens, an opportunistic and devious warrior, able to camouflage himself in the shadows until ready to strike.
They appear to be after the Allspark fragment. This is the real deal, people. All defensive assets should be focused to secure the Allspark. Initiate red alert incursion protocol.
This is outrageous. Sending amateurs on a suicide mission. Don't! Stop! No!
Hey there, it's me, Wheelie. I mean, Commodore General Admiral Commander Wheelie. Monitoring our defenses, which are not holding so well. Here's what I've got. I'm picking up Decepticon Ravage, moving his tail through Sector 1030, sub-level 9. Sub-level 8. Okay. Sub-level 7.
Thank you.
So it's the big part. Aber schnell.
Hasta la vista, baby.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
Live long and prosper. Destroy that foul vehicle! Child, shall we destroy it? Just give me the word. One small, tiny missile. Do you have an urgent message, child? This map you carry. What is the treasure you seek?